Welcome to the Newsbank database tutorial. First, type www.navajotech.edu to get to the Navajo Tech website. Once you are on the Navajo Tech website, hover the mouse over Current Student. A drop-down menu will appear. Locate the library link and select it. You are now on the NTU library page. Scroll down until you see the Database List tab. Click on it. Here you will see a list of databases that are available to you. Scroll down until you see Newsbank, El Portal, New Mexico link and click on it. You should be directed to the Newsbank database. Located at the top, you should find Access World News. Below it are several links to different newspapers. For this tutorial, we will select Native American titles and locate Navajo Times newspaper. Within the Native American titles are 5 sources. Located at the bottom of the list is Navajo Times, Window Rock, Arizona. Click on it. The title, Navajo Times, Window Rock, Arizona, is shown in large font. The time frame for the newspaper is from 2000 to 2020. Anything before 2008 will not be displayed. In the View Recent Issues box, there are links related to the last 5 recent issues. Below that box is the Browse Issue by Date. There you will find a calendar of issues that are available to be viewed. Once you click on the blue link, that particular issue will appear. A list of articles will appear. Click on the blue link and the article will be displayed and ready to be viewed. Here you are able to see the title, the date, the page number, and if you'd like, you can listen to the article. Here you are able to cite the article, email the article, print the article, download the article, save it to a folder, and copy the link of the article. Note: pictures are not available through this database. If you are searching for a specific picture, you must contact the library staff and they will assist you with obtaining their picture. Newspapers are available in the NTU library collection. This concludes the Newsbank database tutorial.